Stainless Restoration Limited are the creators of the Generation 1 cylinder pickling machine. Our objective is to supply a safer, faster and more precise pickling method for cylinder manufacturers. The cylinders are firstly secured to the CPM bed with straps, and a lance is attached to each boss, allowing the internals of each cylinder to be treated. Laser guides assist the operator to ensure cylinders are fitted correctly to the machine bed. This ensures maximum draining. The secured cylinders are rotated by the operator, exposing the next empty bed. When all beds are full, the safety door is ready to come down and the pickling cycle can start. Stage 1 is the acid cleaning stage. Hot acid is sprayed internally into the cylinders. The bed rotates, ensuring all internal surfaces are evenly treated by the chemicals. Acid is automatically drained at the end of the cycle, ready for final rinsing. Stage 2 is the water rinsing stage. Water is then sprayed into the rotating cylinders, ensuring all surfaces are rinsed. The externals of the cylinders are also rinsed to be certain all surfaces of the cylinders are acid-free. Each cylinder pickling machine is equipped with various safety features, emergency lights, stop buttons, and anti-trap sensors on either side of the machine. Chemical fumes are secured internally and extracted by ducting. All of our machines are unique to suit our clients' needs and requirements. We are also able to design and install effluent treatment plants to deal with the waste according to your local regulations. Our machines can process various sized cylinders in one cycle. Typical cylinder sizes are catered for. Smaller and larger cylinders can be incorporated into your designs if required. All of our cylinder pickling machines are designed and manufactured in-house by our well-experienced team of plastic fabricators, welders and engineers. We support all of our clients with our own chemical brand, Energex. This ensures the machine runs correctly and efficiently. Stainless Restoration Limited have been mixing and distributing chemicals for almost 30 years. Our dedicated transport team will deliver chemicals to you on time when you need them. Thank you for viewing our Gen 1 cylinder pickling machine. If you have any questions, please be in touch.